guys, setting up the Christmas village here with my mom and my grandma here at Sinnemahoning State Park. Come along with me while I set it up. Okay, so now we're going to put the snow on. We're going to take it.
You ought to have a paper cup or something.
Some traveling thousands of miles in a single year.
This is the fun part, because you just take it and you just start spreading it.
It's in water that they make a living.
Making it look nice and hardy. It's a big snowfall here, boys.
Okay.
You know what I like to do? Okay, so we're all done here. We put the snow down. See, it's kind of like, looks like fake snow, but sprinkle that all over the place. And while the village is up, we have a nice little church on the top of the mountain. We have the Linden Hills Country Club, Nick's Tree Farm. There's Nick. Don't know why Nick's bald. Probably forgot to say it. Reefs for 50 cents. Come down here to the countryside. Get a nice little fishing with some fish there. Right there, fish. Nice little fish. Take that, coming back up. Nice little forage there. You have a Fisherman's Nook Resort. You check in there. You can get some cabin. We have a nice little pond here where you can go ice fishing. So if you guys want to come see this in person, Sinnemahoning State Park, Austin, PA. Their open house is December 16th. Make sure you come. It's a desirable place. You can see some elk, deer, anything, possibly eagles. We have a cabin like 15 minutes from here, and we see eagles almost every time we come down here. So, good chance of seeing eagles if you've never seen one. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!